Pips, quick update lang. We're about to take a paid actual LAN cabling project for a client facility. Hindi to demo, hindi to practice lang. Real deployment, real execution. These are the requirements ng client. The placement ng over 50 access point and maybe movement ng ibang access point na rin. LAN and possible fiber cabling across their facility. So this means actual routing, labeling, testing, clean termination, hindi lang basta kabit. Proper IT standards ang usapan. So, we are looking for someone, and here is the skill requirement that we need. We are currently looking for a team of up to 5 people to help us execute the task. Ang hanap namin is my experience sa LAN cabling, marunong mag-terminate ng UTP or fiber, and ang basics, alam ang basics ng AP mounting and testing, marunong rumespeto sa timeline and site rules. Kung may field experience ka na, this is for you. This matters sa inyo. Bakit? This is the kind of work na hindi mo makukuha sa tutorial lang. Actual site teaches you things na hindi tinuturo sa classroom. Cable management, unexpected layout, real-world problem solving. So, quick update nga pala doon sa nag-aantay ng training natin. Medyo nadidelay lang tayo ngayon. We're currently limited din lamang sa time and workforce kasi we're trying to push forward na matapos namin mga client obligation namin, and we can push through naman dyan sa training natin. But don't you worry, online training is already being prepared. Kasi mas maraming gusto ng onsite, pero once it launches na, marami na agad ang makakapagsimula kasi online yon. At salamat sa mga patients yung IT Pips. This is IT Man PH, real IT, real experience.
IT Man PH. Like, comment, and follow.